Welcome to the M3 Keiser rider setup. What we're looking for today is to ensure your riders have the best optimal position for the best ride they can get. So we're looking for three positions today: the height of the seat, the height of the handlebars, and also your horizontal adjustment. The important thing with bike setup is just keep it simple. We're going to start with the bike setup for the seat. Now, traditionally you'd have that at the top of the iliac crest or the hip height. Now, depending on the leg length of your rider, that'll be adjusted a little bit up, a little bit down for optimal position. So the adjustment here is just down at the bottom. The idea is sliding it up to hip height. So find the hip height from here. Once you've got that, make sure you screw it in nice and firm. Getting on the bike. Just have the rider or yourself pedal nice and slow. What you're looking for is at the bottom of the pedal, so when the foot hits the lowest point, keeping the foot totally horizontal, toe not pointing down, heel not pointing down past the level. You're doing a slight bend in the knee. Now, by slight bend, you get 20 degrees, 5 degrees, let's just go slight bend. The idea is that if it's too low, the knee has too much flexion, you're going to cramp the muscles at the back of the leg, so the hamstring, the calf, and also muscles at the back of the knee called popliteus or plantaris. This can become quite painful, so it's important that bike setup is correct. If it's too high, the leg is straight, you'll tend to find as the rider moves or as you ride, the hips are going to drop to try and reach the bottom of the pedal. This places stress at the lower back and eventually might cause back pain. So sitting comfortable in the seat, look at that slight bend in the knee. And a few times just get a good feel for it. Feels pretty good. Now for some riders you might find that you need to adjust a little bit up and down. That's okay. Repeat the process. Unscrew or untighten, adjust the height, tighten, and on you get again. The next height adjustment is going to be for the handlebars. Ideally you want the seat height and the handlebars to be pretty much horizontal. What you will look for is maybe 2 inches or 1 or 2 inches even. Adjusting for your handlebars at the front here. It's a slide mechanism, making sure the height is nice, the screw is nice and tight. Getting on. This position here, I'm not too upright, nor am I leaning all the way down. With indoor cycle bikes, there's no need for aerodynamics. There's no big fan or anything that's going to push us back. Unlike outdoor riding, which riders tend to want to be in a nice tighter position, light, low, the aerodynamics to come through. Your third position or adjustment is the horizontal. Now this is quite important because it actually affects how it's felt on the knee. If we teach a lunge or a squat, the idea is we usually keep the knee and the toe at a certain position. So the knee's either directly over the ankle joint or over the shoelaces. We never have the knee extending past the toe. That's just too much stress on the kneecap and patella. So what we're looking for here is the adjustment underneath the seat. Place right about there. Once again on the bike, bringing the feet in a horizontal position, or at 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock, if you're looking at a clock face. If I was to draw a line straight through my knee down to my toes, you'll see mine's approximately just over my shoelaces. It's not extending past my toes, nor am I too far back. So the ideal position is knee or the line directly over the ankle joint or around the shoelaces. Once again, nice easy pedal, see how that feels. If you're starting out, what you might find is that a couple of times you'll adjust your seat height or position horizontal until you feel a comfortable ride. That's okay. Keys to remember: hips, stay level. We also have the horizontal position, that knee stays behind the toes. Enjoy your ride.